Welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's video I show you how to use Windows 11 any computer, PC or laptop, any version of computer. For example, if you have a Celeron, Pentium 4, for example Core i3, Core i5, any type of computer you can use Windows 11. So without installation, you see there is a feature of Windows 11 from here. If you click on here, this feature all in Windows 11, and I click on setting option, you see all these things using in Windows 11. So you cannot install this one, you can use just one click. At last I show you the process how to use this one. And you can use also Play Store, because Windows 11 support Play Store in your PC or laptop. You see, you can download anything from here, and you can also change your background, desktop background. You see the awesome background of Windows 11. Wow, this is an awesome feature from here, because this PC is a Pentium this PC, my PC is a dual core PC, but it's run this Windows 11 smoothly. This is very nice one. Okay, if I click here, you see all feature like a Windows 11. So if I click File Explorer, you see my all drive is shown from here. Okay, so this is very nice one. So now I show you how to use this one. So first of all, I show you my PC is a, if I click right button in properties, my computer, you see this is a Windows 7. Okay, this one is the Windows 7, and this one is a dual core PC, Pentium dual core PC, and I using here, this is another Windows. This is the Windows 11. I use it without installation. Okay, so I show you the process how to use this one. So first of all, you go to the Google, then search Windows 11 Blue H, then click on here. So this is the first website. You click on here. After that, Windows 11 is opening like that. Now Windows 11 is working. So you write down, you click on OK, I understand, and now you can use Windows 11 from your PC. And any you can use Windows 11 in Pentium 4, then Code to Do, Pentium 3, any type of computer you can use the Windows 11 without installation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.